Alright guys, before we get started, I wanted to say I had a video filmed and in the process of editing it, the file got corrupted and it deleted the whole video. So I filmed again that exact day, and this is pretty much what happened. This video doesn't really make sense, but I hope you find it entertaining.
Good. Hey, Daddy. Can you punch me in the face?
Punch you in the face?
Yes.
Oh, why? Why you want me to punch you in the face?
Because I like domestic violence.
Hold on. Okay, I'm on live.
Alright, get out of this.
You don't want to have a conversation?
No, you get out. I'm not looking for you.
What are you looking for?
Looking for the female. I just had her. Where is it?
No disrespect to female rappers, but low key, that shit be trash.
Okay, and what do you want me to do about that?
You don't like Megan Thee Stallion?
I mean, nah, I think that's who just came out.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga.
Well, it's just sweet how people that put their own tattoo together and make it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thanks, man.
it's sweet.
I just want to say one thing. That guy was really cool. And if you ever watch this, let's be friends, bro.
Hey,
Hey,
what are you up to?
I'm at my friend party.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn minute.
Shit, I'd rather listen to this gay ass shit than fucking that.
Thanks.
Well, I'm gonna say you handsome. I'm not gonna say cute.
Yeah,
Handsome.
well,
You handsome.
thank you.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Bien.
Oh, I put my coochie on you.
What?
I put my.
Oh, you was a cutie pie. Where you from?
What you doing?
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thank.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Anytime.
Come on, please, baby.
Hi.
Hello. Are you lost, baby girl?
Hi.
Are you lost, baby girl? Have you seen 365 days?
Nah, I've seen 356 days.
That's a year and a day.
Mm-hmm.
No, it ain't. That's like, I think he said that on purpose.
Where you from?
New York. What about you?
You're from New York?
Mm-hmm.
One second. One second.
It's the empty cup for me.
Come up to the camera, son. Let me see how you look up close.
Wait. All right, hang on. I got you.
Okay. You're giving very much, What is it? What's his name? What's his name? Justin Bieber mixed with, Drake.
Okay.
That's what you get.
Okay.
You single, ain't you?
Yeah.
Why just get dragged by little kids?
I mean, instantly I thought you were gay. No shade.
No. Bye.
Oh, okay. That makes
Mm-hmm.
sense. Yeah. Yeah. Well, you're born naked, the rest is drag, so fuck the bullshit, you know?
I'm about to do my makeup. What should I do? Should I turn myself into a clown?
Nah. Nah.
I already have that going for me right now.
I already feel like one.
That's very me. Why you feel like a clown?
You know, people love taking me as a joke.
Exactly. Okay, so you have it. I'm gonna follow you.
Me too.